Guys, look what I found in the San Onofre Marine Mart. I found the 2 DJ bouncing beats that I was looking for. I've been trying to wanting these out for a long time, but now it's good. Ignore the Barbie Chelsea stuff. So, let's start with the 2. Oh my god, bro. This is so fun. This is so freaking funny out here. Make sure to not buy these toys.